If you manage payroll or track complex project timesheets, you already know the friction of clocking every minute manually. A small miscalculation on Monday morning ripples through the entire week. By Friday, those simple arithmetic errors compound into serious discrepancies in billing and scheduling. To eliminate that friction, we are going to use the MiniWebTool Time Duration Calculator. It is a purpose-built engine designed to handle the math for you. This tool outputs the duration in multiple specific formats. You get the exact hours, minutes, seconds, a business work hour count, and a visual timeline. You only need two things to get started: a web browser and your precise starting and ending dates. By letting the system run these exact boundaries, a tedious administrative chore becomes an instant, reliable data point. This mockup shows the interface of the time duration calculator. Notice how clean the layout is, with your focus drawn immediately to the empty input fields for your start and end points. Step 1 is to click inside the Start Date box to open the built-in calendar. Let's select a typical weekday to begin. We will use a Thursday for our example. Next, type in the exact hour and minute that your project or shift began. Pay close attention to the AM and PM drop-down menu. A single misclick here will invert your timeline and corrupt the entire calculation, so always double-check this setting. Now move down to the end date field. We want to intentionally span across a weekend, so select the following Monday on the calendar. Enter your final ending time. Again, input the exact hour and minute to ensure your tracking is perfectly accurate. Establishing these two specific points ensures the calculator has the necessary context to provide an accurate result. With your boundaries set, go ahead and click the prominent Calculate button. The system instantly processes those dual inputs, translating your dates and times into a comprehensive results matrix. This abstract bar represents the raw total duration output. Here, you see the total volume of time, displayed as combined hours and minutes. Letting the machine process this data removes the risk of common carryover mistakes we make when trying to manually calculate hours crossing over the midnight threshold. Now, look past that top-line total duration and review the secondary data breakdown provided below it. The tool converts the entire span into sheer continuous minutes. This is useful for flat-rate billing models or specific database entries that require a single standardized time unit. It also provides a breakdown in continuous seconds, giving you precise tracking for strict service level agreements or technical logging. Next, we see work hours. This is a specialized metric that operates completely separately from your raw total. Work hours logic is designed for business planning. The system identifies non-business weekend days and filters them out of the equation. In this diagram of our scenario, you can see how Saturday and Sunday are removed, leaving only active business time. The gap between the total hours and the work hours column highlights exactly how much non-business time is bypassed. Finally, look at the visual timeline representation located at the very bottom of the results interface. This color-coded strip allows you to quickly verify the chronological mapping of your inputs at a glance, ensuring everything aligns with your schedule. The utility of this tool is its ability to take a raw block of continuous time and parse it into actionable business data. You now possess fully verified duration data. This split screen shows your next step. You can port these numbers directly into your timesheets, client invoices, or project management systems. When you are ready for the next entry, simply use the Clear function to reset the tool for a new calculation. By offloading this math, you save time on every entry. Over a full month of administrative work, these saved moments add up to reclaim a significant portion of your schedule. Refining these administrative steps allows you to focus on the work itself. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorials on streamlining your digital workflow.